Let's go into Target and we're gonna get 3 big things of laundry products for under $10. We're also only using our phone. So when you come into Target and you grab 2 select products that are $12.99 and up, you will get a $5 gift card. First, you're gonna grab one of these Tides here, the 42 count for $12.99. We're also gonna grab a Bounce dryer sheet, the 60 count box here for $2.99. So everything you see here will cost $26.97. We have a $2 digital for the Downy and a $3 digital for that Tide Pods. We're also going to get back that $5 gift card, making it $16.97. But then we're going to submit our receipt to Shopkick. We're going to get back 1,805 kicks. We're going to get 30 scan kicks for each one of these in the store. Then we're going to get back 1,775 kicks for purchasing the bundle. So that's going to equal out to $7.22. That's going to make everything you see here just $9.75. And here's my receipt. Here's the Tide with the $3 digital, the Downy with the $2 digital, and there's my $5 gift card. So let me know if you score, guys.